It's about, alright, can't open that side. It's about 7:16. Along with Deirdre, Lauren, Sabrina, and Danny, we are doing Beastars today, and I am supposed to be Juno, and this is my wig. Those are my ears. Those are my ears. And the cosplay I made is currently right here. Oh, right, my tail. It's right there in my bag. Yeah, guess who's all set and ready? It's freaking me with nails. I got nails for this. I am Juno from Beastars. Look at me go. Look at me freaking go. I'm just doing a little bit of recording. Right now we're gonna go hustle Deirdre in opening ceremonies. I need my Louis. The lady just announced this is the 20th year.
I know that I was an attendee back in 2003. I know. So it's really great to be able to come this far. We wanted to share some fun facts with you about what anime fandom was like back in 2003. So during the week of Anime Boston 2003, episode 29 of Naruto just aired. Ooh. I know. And even crazier, it was One Piece episode 150.
Oh.
That's important because you could still actually watch it then in a month.
Alright, so just a quick update. There's a massive philo right over there, a huge philo. I've been hanging out with Deirdre and her sister, and a Haru, Beastars Haru, gave me this pretty little flower. It was very nice to me. Saw Lauren, Danny, and Sabrina. It was amazing. They all looked amazing. Lauren's ears were beautiful. Beautiful Legoshi. Either way, I'm excited by the flower. One of my this year right here, right there, has been wiggling around all day. All day. But check back in soon. Feel free to take photos. Tying of the tie. It looked very like business casual. Oh man. Let's see if I can get. Oh! I didn't get a photo. I thought you wanted a video for TikTok. I thought you wanted for TikTok. Let me bag up. All right, I'm here with everyone. We're doing a Beastars group. There's Legoshi, Haru, Jack, and Louie.
Hi, I'm Louie, and I'm gonna be the next Beastar.
Oh my gosh, and there you have it. We just got done going around, taking a bunch of videos. I will most likely link the TikTok you're gonna post below of us dancing on the escalator back there. But it's been very fun. We're about to part ways to go off and take off our sweaty costume. Woo! Woo! Yeah, it was great. Woo! I'm still recording. I'm in the, hold on.
K9 forever.
Hello, and welcome to Get This Cosplay Off Me. Get it off, get it off, get it off. I'm sweaty. I'm sweating. I'm sweating. All right, how about we do just a little bit of a recap for the day, right? Let's do it. So, got up, got dressed, makeup, all that, and then I'm free into the beautiful world. Immediately, opening ceremonies, then met up with Deirdre. We hung out for a little bit. Met up with Lauren, Sabrina, Danny. Oh my god, and Deirdre's sister. Sorry. Oh my god. I hang out with Deirdre and her sister for like most of the day. And Deirdre's sister was so nice to take photos for us all day. We're running around, having fun, recording various videos, taking various photos in a bunch of various places, right? We hit the dealer's room, right? Because I really wanted, if you don't know, Anime Boston came out with a cheeky little body pillow, and I needed it. I don't know, I just kind of felt like getting it. My makeup has been smudging in the mask, smudging in the mask all day. But we did get photos without the mask, which is very, very nice. Yeah, we basically just ran around and did a lot of stuff. But I asked around, and upon trying to go to get Susie's autograph for Eula, apparently all of the other voice actors were in there, which then provoked me to run back up to the hotel room, run back down with all of my autograph stuff, and attempt to see how many autographs I could get today. I got a lot. But you know, I'll show you all of that later. I'm gonna take off my cosplay and all of that, but as a special little something, special little shout out to Warren Landa, who was extremely excited. I was so happy she was excited to see me dressed as Juno. She was amazingly nice. She took a photo and even posted it on her Twitter. So please go check out her freaking Twitter. It was so nice of her. Oh, she was so sweet. She signed this pop figure for me. Very nice. And a bunch of other various items. So I am very happy about that. Oh, so nice, so nice. A lot of the voice actors, everybody in that room was so nice. And the people I was standing with were so nice, and we were just talking about the stuff that we liked, the stuff we wanted signed. It was so nice. I keep saying it was so nice because everybody was so kind and warm and welcoming about everything, you know? It wasn't awkward as it was in previous years. It was just, people were just genuinely excited to be there the whole entire time. No matter the weight of the line, my feet were hurting. I got to that room at 3 p.m. And, what time is it now? It's 8:30 p.m. and I made it back to the room. So I was in that autograph room for a very long time, and we were sympathizing with other people who were like, her feet hurt. You know, we were all sitting on the floor randomly. It was lovely. It was absolutely lovely. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take off my entire cosplay, change into some more regular clothes to go out a little bit later, and I'm actually gonna sit here and eat and clean up my room. And let me just say, these nails have been the bane of my existence today. Can't type anything, can't grab anything, afraid of breaking my nail. The only one that broke was this one right here. Right here at some point today. It just kinda bent off, touching my skin. I'm done. I want these gone, and they're on so well. Help. Something that is open until 2 a.m. is actually video gaming. And I remember last time I went to Anime Blossom was the first time we found the gaming room for the very first time, right? So we're going to the 3rd floor of the Heinz Convention Center to see if we can find the video game room. Hopefully, come on, if they have Dance Dance Revolution, you know I'm gonna pop off. Oh yeah. Oh, I see it over there. There's Dance Dance. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different Dance Dance Revolution machines. Oh my goodness, let's take a little walk around here. Oh my gosh, look at all these online games, multiplayer games, versus games, and they got them on projectors up. Look at these tube TVs of electronics. There's a huge area over here where I think a bunch of people are playing Smash. Damn. They got a bunch of freaking dance machines. Damn. I'm gonna see if I can play one of these. I just got out of the gaming room, and I was actually waiting in line on my own, but there were a couple of nice people who came in and were actually doing the verses with me because I was alone. Right now I am heading to the 2nd floor though to go to 207 How Cosplay Ruined My Life panel. I just came out of the panel How Cosplay Ruined My Life, and honestly everybody in there was really nice. It was nice to hear stories and like situations that I could kind of really relate to and that, you know, I've had happen to me in the past. So everybody in there was really nice, and I asked them a couple of questions about things and stuff like that. So thought I would share their business cards here. Lovely business cards. It was nice hearing about stuff like like a like competitive cosplay that I've been wanting to do for like a really long time and just like haven't had the chance to do. I just realized these might come out backwards. I might have to flip this video around because it might come out like a little bit awkward, but there we go. There we go. So these were some of the people that were hosting the panel, and they were just very nice. This whole day has been really nice, just talking to everybody, and you know, it's been a lot for people. I think 2 years without Anime Boston has just been like a mega hit on people, and everyone is beyond excited to be back. People are a lot more gentle than they used to be. They're a lot more gentle, a lot more accommodating towards others, and just generally kind to the people surrounding them, you know. Everybody has like a different outlook, you know? Which is, it's a nice feeling. It's a great feeling. I know in the past, like, whenever I go out to conventions, I used to have a really hard time talking to people, talking to other people, and just like engaging other people in conversations, you know. But this year, it's a lot easier. I find myself being a lot more confident about the people I'm talking to, and okay if they're unreceptive to conversation. I mean, come on, I'm not exactly a very social butterfly. I kind of stick to the people I stick to. But this year I find myself not exactly going out of my comfort zone, but being comfortable doing the things that I was never actually comfortable with. Which I think it's great. I think it's great. Officially back in the hotel room, and I know what you want to see. I know what you're here for. I know what you're here for. It's all of this that it can't focus on because it's too incredible. All of this. The autographs, the prints. Okay. Let's start off with the first thing I got today, which is the Anime Boston body pillow cover. I cannot pronounce it. It's like Dakimoda something. Either way, super cute. Super cute. So, let's see if I can go in order here. First of all, we have Lauren Landa, who's incredibly nice. She was so nice. She was super nice. She signed this pop figure for me, this poster, and she signed 3 little prints and was nice enough to let me pick an extra print because she was so sweet. She was so sweet. Of course, we had to get the Beastars and the High School DxD and the Attack on Titan. So I am incredibly happy and grateful to her. Next, we have Susie. I got 2 of Eula, which had to get the Genjin squad. You know, had to get the Genjin squad. This one is so pretty. It's so pretty. Why is it so pretty? Why is it so pretty? I had to stop for a second. I ran out of breath. I had to stop for a second. All right. Oh my god. Next we have Griffin Burns, which I was so excited for because at AAC I got the autograph for Ryu. So now we have Akira, and we also have Child. So more Genjin. Very nice. And Devilman Crybaby. I am Devilman. Beautiful. Beautiful. And last, but certainly not least, the last autographs that I went through were Robbie David. So excited. He was beyond nice, and you'll probably see various pictures that I took flashing across the screen right now with all of these lovely people, but he was nice enough to sign all of these prints. Super nice. Super nice. And I got a tuxedo mask. It looks so pretty. Why does it look so pretty? Why does it look so pretty? Everyone was super nice. Everyone was nice. It was a great day, even though I spent like 4 hours standing in that room in lines. It was more than worth it. And everyone signed a autograph card. So I have kind of like an autograph book going of just blank cards. So everyone signed a blank card. Just super nice. Some people drew things on the cards. So adorable. So this is everything. This is the main haul for today. The pillow is the only thing I got from the dealer's room. I haven't gotten anything from the artist alley yet. Other things I brought myself. So I'm thinking tomorrow we spend the rest of my money in the artist alley in the dealer's room. I don't know, maybe I'll spend the rest of my money, who knows. I hope you guys will stick around for Saturday and join me on whatever it is that we're doing. I'm so tired, and I still have, I want to rip these off. Should I do it? I can't grab it. Ow! Just got out the shower. Those fools. They thought that they could fool me, but I'm not gonna chance. Oh, I'm only playing The Office and ridiculousness. No. South Park. Yes.